Hi everyone, welcome to my first ever video on this channel. Today's date is Friday the 16th of August and it's a reset day. So for me, I reset my room, I do my self-care, I clean my bed sheets, I dust, I polish. That's all on a Friday for me. Now usually if you go through YouTube, it's Sunday reset, but I work on Sundays, so I don't have the most time in the world and I don't want to rush cleaning, so I pick a Friday, which isn't very usual. I don't think I've ever seen a Friday reset routine. Maybe the first one you guys have ever seen, but I've never seen one. I decluttered my room a few weeks ago, so I'm not going to be doing that in this video, but the only thing I did not declutter is that thing that back there. That monstrosity. If you do enjoy this video, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe and comment down any future video ideas that you guys would like to see me do, and I should hopefully do some of them. But yeah, let's get straight into cleaning. I'm feeling motivated, so let's go. Okay, so before I get started with anything, I'm going to show you what I use to clean. I start off with a duster. Okay guys, oh, that's really dirty, don't look. I'll face it that way. If you're not using a duster to clean your room, then what are you using to dust? And then I go in with the original non-silicone wood silk polish for surfaces. Don't know where this is from, think it's from Asda. It's really cool though, isn't it? It's like a beehive, honeycomb, look at that. And I also use the Tesco window and glass cleaning spray because I'm not paying £20 for a window glass cleaner. First thing that I do always, I thought everyone does, is put all their sheets in the wash, towels, etc. So that's what I'm going to do now. First, the fan is going on, because it's extremely hot in the UK. Don't know why. Can't wait for autumn. All my autumn girlies, comment a pumpkin down below if autumn and Halloween is your favourite season, because it's mine. Okay, I've got autumn decor in my room and Halloween decor. Don't hate me, it makes me happy. How cute is this? Guys, next is where it's at. Okay, next. So I've just popped all of my teddies and duvets and pillows onto the bed, and this is the before. Okay guys, I know it's bad, I know. I thought it would be satisfying if I showed you the before and then the after, and I can do a little comparison at the end. Yeah. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do after my bed is pick all of my valuables up, as in my AirPods, the MacBook that's on the floor, and I'm just going to put them where they belong so they don't get damaged or anything. So I'm going to do that now. And I've currently been doing some content planning and things, so I've got a bunch of pencil cases and notebooks out, so I'm going to put that away. I think we're going to go and start in with the desk, work our way around the room. Vanity last, because that's the biggest thing, and I feel like I just need to get everything else done and then I can focus the most on my vanity. So let's pop away all my stationery and notebooks. I found some recycling, which I'm going to put outside my door until I go downstairs, just so I don't keep having to run up and down the stairs. And I will put it in the recycling bin when I go down. So I feel like the next necessary thing would be washing, so it doesn't get dirty again. I always keep my washing on my gaming chair. So I'm going to put all this away, and then I think we will get on to dusting and polishing the gaming desk. Also, can we talk about how flipping cute these socks are from Dunelm, and they're only £2. Shout out to my mum for finding these because I love them. Run to Asda as well because how adorable is this Nightmare Before Christmas Halloween blanket. So to prepare for when I hoover, obviously I've got chairs and some little tables and things and shoes on the floor. I don't want them to be there when I hoover, so usually before I get into the dusting I take those out into the hallway ready for when I hoover at the end. So I'm going to do that now. Finally time to move on to my gaming desk. So let's clean this one. Gaming desk is all done. Next up I'm going to clean the window sill and windows. And before I do anything at all, my mum got me these new frames from Asda, which I'm going to switch out for these old frames. But I love them, they're so cute and pink and bubbly. But let's see what the difference looks like. So I've changed the frames and they look so cute. They're just tickets to K-pop concerts that I saw. So I'm going to put them here and then see what it all looks like on my frame, all done and tidy. So the windowsill is all finally done. Let me just show you it. And how freaking cute do the new frames look. Thank you, Mum, for those. Also, when you're cleaning, don't forget to get all the, what are they called? Borders. I don't know what they're called, but make sure to get down and get all the border dust because there's always loads. So now it's time to dust kind of the edges of my wardrobe and then obviously clean all the mirrors. Once that's completed, I just need to dust over my little dresser, that's what it's called, and then the monstrosity. But it's starting to look better already, which is really good. Now, it doesn't look very different, but I have dusted and cleaned it all, so the dresser is next. And a hair, guys, look at the dust. It's because I have a fan right there. This thing collects dust like I eat my food, okay? And that's not a good thing. There we go. Guys, you see any dust? Shine. And then the last thing. Here we go. The rest of the room is looking great. Obviously, the bed needs to be made, but the sheets aren't quite done yet, so that will be the last thing I do. Let's get on to this. Okay, now I can't imagine very many of you want to sit here for an hour and watch me clean all of my vanity, every single piece of makeup, every nook and cranny, each drawer, for a very long time. So I think I'm going to do a little quick transition to make things a bit more magical. This is the before, up and down, and then I'm going to do a little transition. So I'll see you guys soon. And she is done. Look how much better she looks, guys. So all that's left to do is my bed. So I'm going to grab my sheets, make my bed, hoover, spritz, and then everything should be all done. Okay, everything's hoovered now, and if you know, you know, when you see like lines in the carpet, like over here and over here, you know that's been cleaned. You know someone's just hoovered, okay? Now that's done, let's make my bed. Guys, the bed is made. I'm not a pro at making beds, so please don't hate on me. But the room is now done, so let's spray some aerosol and then everything should be finished. Okay, so the aerosol I'm using is the Glade Sparkling Watermelon, and I think this is from Home Bargains, but I think it's from their summer range, so woo! And now I'm going to give you all a little overall. Let's do a pan of the room from all angles. There we go, guys. So my room is now fully clean and smells really good. If you guys did watch all the way till the end of the video, thank you so much, and do make sure to comment down below the bubbles emoji, which kind of I feel represents cleanliness and kind of weekly reset, and do comment any video recommendations that you would like to see in the future, because I really want to know what you guys would like to see. But I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.